What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another Invicta watch video. So you guys know, if you follow my channel, from time to time I buy new Invicta watches. Now, I don't work for the company, or they don't pay me to review their watches. This is just a brand that I like mainly because of the way they look and how big these watches are. So I picked up another one here. Now this is going to be the Invicta Men's 47mm Grand Diver automatic stainless steel bracelet watch. And I picked it up for $89.99. They got it marked out as being $319 originally. I never paid the full price for these watches at all. You can pick this up at shophq.com. That's where I picked it up at. Now it was offering it in this color as well. That color is no longer, it's sold out. Yeah, sold out right there. So some of the features and details about this watch. This has the Japanese TMI NH35A automatic movement. This is a 47mm, just like I said. It's 16 millimeters in thickness. This has the case is stainless steel. The bezel is unidirectional rotating. Has a mineral crystal alloy dial material, screw down crown. It has complications, 3 o'clock date window. This has a stainless steel bracelet. The bracelet is 8.5 long by 22 millimeters wide. The clasp is a deployant. And this is water resistance for 30 ATM, 300 millimeters, 990 feet. And it weighs 8 ounces, not 90 ounces. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's get into it. So I get excited about my Invicta watches. And the last one I did was I don't think it was a Grand Diver. It was a diver, but they make another one that's smaller. And I think I bought that one, but this is the size that I prefer. And we're gonna get this open up. I don't cut my fingers first. All right, let's get this open and take a look at this. So of course my paperwork, some packing stuff. And let's get the yellow box out. So they love to put these in yellow boxes. Sometimes you will get it in something different. So here is a logo, Invicta logo on the top of it there. And that's it. So let's get this open. So there is a little flap here, as you guys can see. And then you get your big yellow box out of the other box. All right, so you do have a little Invicta branding. You have that clamshell look to the box. We're here for the watch, not the box. All right, so you get a microfiber cleaning cloth. Has a little Invicta branding. You do get a limited warranty and instructions pamphlet there. That's it. And then you get your box, your watch. All right, so let's get this box out of the way. Put this stuff up. So here is the watch. Now this is the blue one. That's what they're calling this. And then let's get this paper off. So this is why I love the color of the watch face, and this going around, that blue and gold kind of sets it off right there. I really like it. Has the coin bezel. So this is unidirectional. And these are actual dive watches, guys. Let me go ahead and get this plastic and stuff off of here. All right, so it's a lot of plastic here, guys. Let's get this off. All right. I'm gonna pause the video and get the plastic. Okay, guys, so we're back in, and I got all of the plastic off, and I'm taking a look at this thing. And the more I look at it, the more I like it. This nice gold and blue is very beautiful to me. On the watch face, you do have Grand Diver with the Invicta logo there. You do have some more writing underneath. I can't really make out what it says. I think it's telling you the water, how deep you can go in the water resistance. The markers here are highlighted in some type of gold, look like it. The hour hand and minute hand, as well as the second hand, also has a hint of gold. This gold bezel around here is very beautiful. What kind of throws it off just a little bit for me is how big these numbers are, but not a deal breaker at all. And then you do have these helmet, the diver's helmet right there. Adds a nice look to it, in my opinion. Invicta branding there. And then you have another diver helmet. And then this side you do have Grand Diver. Trying to get that light not to be so bright on it. And then you do have another diver's helmet on your crown right there as well. So I do like the gold accent on the band. Looks real hot with the silver. Do have an Invicta logo right here on your clasp as well. And then the inside of it, this is a automatic. So you do have another little diver's helmet here, but the automatics, you can see inside of them. And as you move your wrist, this is how they wind. So the last automatic Grand Diver that I bought is this one. As you can see, it has a black face to it. And they virtually look the same, as you guys can see. Let me get this turned the right way first. So all of the wording, everything's the same on it. They probably have the same thickness. The difference is the bezel going around here. This one has the coin, and I'm not sure what this one's called, but it's a little bit different. They both are very beautiful timepieces. And I think I'm gonna continue to buy the automatic so you don't have to worry about replacing the battery. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop it on my wrist, guys. Of course, I do have to get this sized, but we'll get an idea of, what it would look like. Now, I do have my wrist about 7 1/4 or something like that. And so this is what this band would look like on my wrist. As you can see, takes up pretty good amount of my wrist. As you can see, I have a lot of slack there, so I have to take out 3 or 4 links. But as you can see, definitely looks good. Sticks up a little high on the wrist, but that's what I like. These definitely start a little bit of conversation when you're wearing them out. I have something way bigger than this, and they do start conversation. And a lot of people say these look like Rolex, knockoff Rolex. Well, I've never had a Rolex, so I'm not sure if it does or it doesn't. But anyway, guys, that's been my look at the Grand Diver Blue 47mm automatic. And I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, and I'm out.